Hello, engineers. So let's solve this problem. A group of n engineers and n nurses. If two engineers are replaced by two other nurses, then 51% of the group members will be nurses. So find the value of n. So let's solve this problem using a conventional solution. So meron na tayong n number of engineers. And we also have an n number of nurses. So sabi sa problem, if two engineers daw is papalitan ng dalawang nurse, yung bagong percentage ng nurse sa group is 51%. So sabi sa problem, yung dalawang engineer daw is mababawasan daw yung engineer natin ng dalawa. Okay? So we have n minus 2 as our new number of engineers after 2 engineers was replaced by 2 nurses. So, pagkabawas natin ng dalawang engineer, yung nurse naman natin is madadagdagan ng dalawa. So, we have n plus 2 as the number of nurse after 2 engineers was replaced by 2 nurses. So, sabi sa problem, after that replacement and addition, yung bagong percentage daw bagong percentage daw ng nurses dun sa group is 51%. So therefore, 51% of the group members will be nurse. So using fraction, n plus 2 is the number of nurse all over sa total number of members. So we have an engineers and nurse. So yung engineers natin is nabawasan ng dalawa. So we have n minus 2. Yung nurse naman natin is nadagdagan ng dalawa, so we have n plus 2. So yung equation natin dito is n plus 2 all over n minus 2 plus n plus 2, which is equal to 51%. So isi-simplify natin itong equation na to. So we have n plus 2 all over 2n is equal to 0.51. So we have n plus 2 is equal to 0.51 times 2n. So using your calculator, so makukuha nating sagot dito is n is equal to 100. So yun lang, nasolve na natin yung problem na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.